Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 11th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina. We are at the end of Sea Dock here at UnBELLievable. I'm updating the zincs. So far for the sail drives that we got here, it appears that we have 2 split rings. I'll update those in the section, and we might even have some cone prop nut zincs. So I'll go ahead and I'll look those up, but I'm going to get those videos. And since I'm here, I'm just going to do a quick video of the hull, just to see if there's any other zincs that I might have missed, and to see how well the cleaning is holding up for the boat. There does seem to be some growth, some hard growth on the keels and on the running gear, but the paint looks good. Looks like there might be a little bit of minor chipping on the keel as well. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.